The Pamu Slide 2 is the newest TWS from PadMate, which is currently available on the Indiegogo crowdfunding campaigns. Thanks to the folks from PadMate for sending this over, so I can give it a try and share my opinions about this new earbuds before it makes available to the public. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast with episode 60. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Here's a review of the Pamu Slide 2. Let's begin with the unboxing. Upon lifting the box, you see the Pamu Slide 2, followed by another box that kept a pouch, a short USB-C charging cable, a user manual, and a box of ear tips that come in different sizes. Let's move to the earphone. It has a classic vinyl record design on the logo. It charges via USB-C located on the top, or you can charge it wirelessly on any chip-enabled pad or smartphone. The battery level indicator is located at the bottom. As the name suggested, it's slide to open. The vinyl record design continues to the earbuds. The overall charging case is pretty well built and solid. It does feel a little bit chunky compared to others similar earbuds. Coming to the earbuds design, it has a pretty ergonomic shape that fits well in my ear, and it comes with different sizes skin-friendly ear tips for a perfect fit. It also has a pressure release vent that adjusts the pressure difference between inside and outside. This is to reduce ear fatigue for wearing it long hours. The Pamu Slide 2 doesn't only support tap control, it also recognizes slide to adjust volume, which is brilliant. A single tap is to play, pause, answer, and end calls. Double taps are to change music tracks and reject calls. Lastly, press and hold to summon the voice assistants or change the sound modes. It can be customized through Pamu apps, and more about it later. The earbud has a lot of features baked into it. It has an active hybrid noise cancelling, transparency mode, AINR algorithms by using the 6 microphone on the earbuds to isolate voice from background noise or wind, game mode with up to 80 millisecond low latency, and an in-ear wear detection sensor. It's also IPX4 splash resistance, so you don't have to worry wearing it for jogging or walking under the rain. Coming to the sound quality, the Pamu Slide 2 doesn't only features the latest Bluetooth 5.2 that offer a stable connections, it also gets a stout 10mm pen and titanium composite membrane drivers. It delivers an astonishing punchy bass, vibrant sound, clear vocals, and a wide sound stage. Distortion is very minimal even at a high volume. Nothing much to complain here, it just lacks lossless audio codec support and only support the standard SBC and AAC sound codec. The active noise cancelling is above average and can cancel out lower frequency sound like fan, aircon, and computer effectively. Core quality wise, this Slide 2 has these RHE and AINR algorithms that enhance vocals and isolate background noise. Here's a mic test with the Pamu Slide 2 and a busy street noise sound playing behind. Mic test 1 2 3, mic test 1 2 3. What do you think about the mic sound quality? Do leave your comment in the comment box below. The Pamu Slide 2 comes with a companion app that allows you to switch sound mode, customize touch control, update firmware, and many more. A lot need to be done as the app has limited EQ control, lack of ANC and transparency intensity control, and quite unpolished interface. Last but not least is the battery life. According to PadMate, this Slide 2 offers 6.5 hours per single charge and an additional 20 hours with the charging case. I've been rocking it as my daily drivers for 2 weeks now. I only need to charge it once a week with an average 2 to 3 hours per day. That's all from me on the Pamu Slide 2. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. If you want to know more or you would like to be one of the early bird to back these campaigns, you can visit Indiegogo. I've put the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.